like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I did it for every other season this year, so of course I had to run it back for the winter. If you guys would like to know the fragrances I would recommend for the winter, let's go. First up, this is the Kayali The Wedding Velvet Santal, and I told y'all recently that I was in Uber. Man asked me what I was wearing. I told him, so he made me give him a voice note of the fragrance so that he could go ahead and buy it for his wife. And yeah. But a week later, I was in another Uber and she was like, it's a woman this time. She was like, girl, what you got on? I told her what it was. She's like, I'm gonna have to get that. Exactly. And I said, you only got to compliment me one good time for a fragrance that I have on, and I'm gonna wear it into the ground. I'm talking for months until I just get sick of it and I put it away for 2 months or 2 years. And then I go back to it because I'm like, well, now wait a minute. This is one that people really liked on me. That's what's going to happen with this one because I have not put it down ever since then. And I just feel like this time of the year is one where I will break out those like velvet, suede, oud fragrances. There's just something fiery about them, and they are the fragrances that I will break out at night. Both times that I was in the Uber, I was going out at night, so they are definitely, you can wear them during the day, but they are definitely like my nighttime fragrances. So, you know, it's the holiday season. If you're going to company parties, family parties, friend parties, New Year's, all that type of stuff, this is definitely one that will get you compliments in the room. This pairs really nicely with other fragrances outside of Kayali fragrances, because sometimes brands are like, no, it's meant to work with other stuff that we have so that you buy our stuff. But I've mixed this with plenty of other fragrances, even one that I'm going to recommend as well in this video, and it just works really well with my body chemistry. The other oud spicy fragrance is the Of the Hour from Dossier that they did in collaboration with Aaliyah's Face. She gave us a grown sexy woman fragrance with this one. This you can wear on its own. I typically am not wearing just one fragrance if you ever meet me in person, but this is one like it can shine on its own. It don't need nobody else. It's just that grown. It's grown. I don't need no help. This ain't no group project with this one, but it does mix well with other ones. The I Am Her from Forever Mood is another one that I would break out as far as the like velvet suede oud fragrances this time of the year that pairs well with other ones, but I think I put that in my fall fragrance. But just know, like, I'm still breaking that one out. Actually, I break that one out year round because she did that with that, but Aaliyah did that with this one. Now this, compared to the Kayali one, has a little extra spice to it. What do the girlies be calling it on TikTok? I think something like siren, office siren or something like that. But this is that, like, think of what comes to mind when you hear siren, right? You're wearing it because you want to give off office siren vibes or whatnot. That type of sultry, seductive, sexy, that's what you're getting with this fragrance. And of course the oud fragrances, I feel like they last longer on the body. Like they're stronger. And don't nobody want no fragrance that wears off after 15 minutes. Okay, up next, this is from Snif. This is their Vanilla Vice. This is the time of year that I will break out vanilla fragrances. And it's like, Shanygne, don't you wear vanilla fragrances throughout the year? Yes, I do, but they're different types of vanillas. This is the time of year that I will break out those more spicy vanillas. You know, other vanillas throughout the year are the more like bubbly, like bubblegum vanilla, like those type of gourmands, more on the like juicy sweet type of gourmand vanilla fragrances. This time of the year, again, like think we're going into Thanksgiving, like apple pie. Actually, apple pie will make sense with the next fragrance I'm going to tell you would pair really well with this one. Like that type of apple pie vanillas. Pumpkin pie. What do people eat for Christmas for dessert? Cranberry? I don't know. Y'all get the point. Like those vanillas is this time of the year. So that's what this vanilla is with Snif. I believe this is a more affordable fragrance. I know you can get this at Ulta, but isn't this like somewhere in this one? Let me look it up. Are you the one they did in collaboration with Monet? I don't think. Is it? Maybe. I mean, it's $65, but that is still more affordable than some of the ones that I'm talking about in this video. And let me tell you, a fragrance to pair with this one. Do y'all remember this? This is the Kayali Eden Juicy Apple. Shanygne, what does that smell like? It smells like a juicy apple. You know, green apples? That's what this smells like. Think of any like green apple flavored candy that you've tried before, from, I don't know, Jolly Rancher to Tootsie Pop, the lollipop. That's what this smells like. You may be saying, Shanygne, didn't you just say that's more like a beginning of the year, like spring, summer fragrance? Yes, but these two mixed together is giving apple pie. That type of apple pie, and I'm saying apple because apple, but pumpkin pie, apple pie, that type of sweet, spicy pie scent together. Yes, yes, my Gourmand girlies, mix these two together. If you have them, then report back to me. I do have somewhere to go, and I'm debating if I try this out and see, like, do I get compliments on this one, or do I stick to the Kayali one, the first one that I showed you, because like, if it's not broke, don't fix it. But you know, I do be switching it up, even though I usually stick to the same ones throughout the season. But these two together, and my mind just be working real weird, because it's like, now how did you even come up with that combination? I don't know. I'll be looking at my collection and I'm like, I feel like you two would make sense, and I try it out, and either I like it or I don't. I liked that one. That's what I have on today, and yes ma'am. Okay, another spicy vanilla Billie Eilish. I think I might have put this in my fall fragrances, but it's carrying over into the winter because, and y'all know, this is one she had to grow on me. At first, I didn't see what everyone else saw when it comes to this one, so I was like, why is everyone hyping this up? But it is worth the hype. This is another one, like, she carries her weight by herself. So you could wear this on its own, still turn heads, all of that. But this is a spicy vanilla. And if you are going for that type of sultry, if you're trying to give sexy with the fragrances that you're using, that is that type of vanilla. You know, like, it's nothing wrong if you want to give sexy, sultry with your fragrances, but there's also nothing wrong if you want to give, you know, cute, adorable with your fragrances. If you want to give mature with your fragrances, right? A lot of the content will tell you this is the fragrance that you use if you want to give off elevated, elegant, which I think people get that confused with the price tag of the fragrance with some of those recommendations. But you can give off, you know, different vibes with the fragrances that you choose to put on. This one, girls' night out, maybe you're newly single, ready to mingle, you need to turn heads with that one, or maybe you're in a relationship and there's only one head that you're trying to turn. It's gonna turn with this one. You can wear it during the day. It could be your work fragrance, it could be your everyday fragrance. I like those ones that give you options, but it's gonna turn heads regardless. And the last one that I have is one that I really have not been able to put down since I was able to find it again, because I couldn't find it for the longest. But this is the Hypnotic Poison by Dior. This, I'm telling y'all, this is the time of the year where my vanilla fragrances really just get to flourish, because I'm a gourmand girly in general, but again, this time of the year is when I just want that warm, cozy feeling. And now, don't get me wrong, again, if you're sticking on the sexy, sultry, you can get that with this one. I've seen where a lot of men are like, I want my wife to wear this, whatever, blah, 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 blah. I've gotten compliments from them in real life with this one, but compared to the other ones that I just mentioned, I am breaking this one out because this is a like warm, fuzzy feeling fragrance to me. But to me, this is the Gourmand that just makes me feel like warm and fuzzy inside with this one. Again, you can get that. You can use this for that reason. But like I said, this time of the year where it's just the vibe is to give warm, fuzzy, cozy feeling. That is what this vanilla fragrance does for me. I love this. I love something about it. Just gets, I want to get in, you know, those like blankets where it's got like a hood, you can put your arms in there, the legs in there, and just like snuggle up, watch movies, like that type of, that's what this one gives to me. This is one, even My camera overheated. But what I was saying is, even though this is definitely one I will wear when I am going out, when I want everyone in the room to just stop and turn and say, who smells like that? Definitely can and do wear that for this. But this is one I absolutely will wear this just to sit in the house all day and do nothing. Just so I know. I don't need nobody else to know. I know I smell good. I love how I smell, and I just want to be surrounded by the smell for the entire day. And normally this is not the fragrance that I would wear at home. It's more so the like just clean, simple fragrances that I'll wear if I'm just going to stay inside all day. But this one does something to me. I like you. And yeah, y'all, those are the fragrances I would recommend and I will have in rotation this winter. As you can see, definitely a vanilla theme, definitely a sultry theme, definitely a oud theme, velvet. And I feel like I've explained enough why those are my favorite during this time of year. If you have any that you're like, and you know that I already have it, be like, girl, go ahead and pick this up, or go ahead and mix that with that. Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you'll be wearing this winter also in the comments down below, because everyone else can read everyone else's comments and add to their collections as need be. So let me know all of that. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.